Subway. That's what I'm eating today. Subway. From what you eating? We're eating Subway. If I eat, I said, I don't want to see you eat. Fran, what you eating? We're eating Subway. That's what we're eating. You see my Subway right there? Mm. Yummy, yummy. Mm. Our life.
Another new project. It's due tomorrow. I hope I can eat online tonight. I
And
really
some
want to get it back.
chips.
Truth is, I can't do this on my own.
Watching some movies, TV movies.
Connect every student, change every future. Connecting changes everything.
That's us right there. Okay, I'm gonna cut this and I'm just gonna gonna eat. And you guys gonna see me eat Subway. Okay. This is the veggie Subway. Very yummy. Right? So let me go right away and start eating. A bag of chips right there. Yummy, yummy. I'm already getting finished. You don't want to see us eating, so I'm not even sure. Okay. Look at it right there. That's what I'm having for today. We're eating Subway. Bye bye.